Welcome to our final meeting for Ling 101. Congrats on making it this far and doing all the mini essays and listening to all the discussions and actually contributing to the discussions. Had such a great time handling this course. Yung quote na ginamit natin sa semantics, we cut nature up, organize it into concepts, and ascribe significances as we do, largely because we are parties to an agreement. Yes, subtle plug. Kaya mabenta yung extramural classes ng linguistics department kasi maraming mga tao yung gustong matuto ng ibang lingwahe professionally at saka mag-widen ng horizons, ma-access yung iba pang ways of seeing the world, so to speak. So, aside from Ling 101, magtabi tayo ng konting salapi at mag-enroll tayo dun sa iba pang mga Asian languages na ino-offer ng Ling Dep ng Japanese. O yan, Japanese, Korean, Thai, bakaning, bahaw, palay, sinangag, tutong, sinaing, mumo. Yes, bigas. She states that the advent of social media, the advent of messenger messaging applications and other platforms, examine ng paraan ng pagsasalita ng tao. At doon sila magsasabi ng mga generalizations on language change. If you remember mutability in the first lecture. Pero ngayon class, sobrang bilis na by